And our storm tracker is out on the roads this morning, bringing you updates on what you can expect if you absolutely need to go out in this.
Yeah, let's check in with Maria Wilson. She is live in the storm tracker right now. Maria, tell us, what are you seeing out there?
So right now we are on I-93 North, right around the Concord area, and conditions, while visibility is fairly good, otherwise conditions aren't great. I'll take a look at what we're looking at right now. The roads are pretty much snow covered from the second we got onto the on-ramp and pretty much onwards. This has been the level of snow that we've seen on the roads. You can see some plow trucks driving by southbound. This is now about the third wave of plow trucks southbound that we've passed between Manchester and Concord. We've hit some slick spots for sure. It's been coming and going. We've been seeing previous tire marks, but other than that, the roads have been slick. I'm not sure if you can hear this whistling getting picked up by my mic, but that is actually the wind. And for us having such a heavy storm tracker, even we've been pushed around by the wind a little bit. So that's really just kind of giving you an idea of just how gusty the winds have been. We've also been passing signs that say that advisory speed is 45, but that's even still faster than what we've been going and what we've seen the cars around us going. Right now we are on an off ramp. You can just see that you can see tire tracks from cars that have passed, but the plow crews have not gotten to these yet. So if you do have to be out on the road, take it careful, take it slow. Again, that advisory speed is 45, but just to give you an idea, we've been going anywhere between 20 and 30. So really some slick conditions this morning. For now, we're live in the storm tracker. Maria Wilson, WMUR News 9.
So Maria, you've even seen some plows out there, but we're not seeing any pavement on the roads because the snow just keeps on coming down.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, the snow right now doesn't look like it's been coming down at quite a good clip, but you know, these plows, a lot of their routes can take hours plus to be able to complete once around. And so when we're getting that snow, it's very hard for crews at this rate to keep up with clearing the snow as it's coming down. So we're definitely creating some tire tracks for the people behind us.
Yeah, we might be seeing that snow come down 1 to 2 inches an hour. Maria Wilson, thank you so much, reporting live from our storm tracker.